When people say they want to use EaseUS without paying, what they actually mean is they just want to recover their files without spending any money, and that's completely fine. But here's the mistake most people make. They go straight to Google or YouTube and search for things like free activation key or cracked versions, and end up downloading something that either doesn't work or worse, comes bundled with malware. So instead of risking your data or your computer, let me show you what actually works. Now, EaseUS does have a free version that you can download and use right away. Use the link in the top comment below to navigate straight to the newly released EaseUS Data Recovery free version. This very same link makes available to you all the active discounts and promotions EaseUS is offering. On the official page, simply scroll all the way down to the features section. As you can see, the free version has limitations, and if you don't understand how it works, you might waste your recovery chance. But if you do this correctly, you can still recover important files without paying. Alright, now click Free Download. And once you have downloaded the installer, simply open it to get EaseUS Data Recovery free version installed. To actually use the free version the smart way, first you need to launch the program and select the drive where your files were deleted from. When done, simply click on the Scan for Lost Data button. On starting the scan, EaseUS will first do a quick scan, then automatically move into a deep scan. Let it finish completely, even if it takes some time. Now, once the results show up, don't just start recovering everything randomly. Since the free version has a recovery limit, you want to prioritize your most important files first. Look for your documents, photos, videos, or whatever matters most to you, and preview the files before recovering them to make sure they are actually usable. Then recover only the most important ones first. This way, you don't waste your free limit on files you don't need. And here's a small trick most people don't know. If your files are small, like documents or images, you can often recover quite a lot within the free limit if you are selective. Now that it is done, just hit recover and pick a folder. You will notice EaseUS guides you towards safe export paths. This is a built-in safety feature to make sure the original data on your drive isn't overwritten. But if you are trying to recover large videos or a full drive, that's where the limitation becomes a problem. Now, if for whatever reason you have reached the recovery limit, this is the point where most people get frustrated, and that's where upgrading becomes the practical option. If you do decide to upgrade, make sure you don't overpay. EaseUS is running a limited time discount right now. Use the second link in the top comment below for extra saving. That way, if you actually need the full recovery, you can get it at a lower cost.